Vlogmas Day 18 na. So, we're still here in Baguio. Andito kami ngayon sa Botanical Garden. And keep on watching. Itutur ko kayo sa Botanical Garden. Kung anong gusto nyo malaman, guys, just comment down below. Yung entrance dito is 100 pesos for adults. And for kids, I think it's 25 pesos. So, yun lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ellie, hi! Video. Guys, ang sobrang laki ng Botanical Garden. Ang maganda dito, guys, kahit daytime kayo pumunta, kasi nga Baguio mataas, hindi siya ganun super duper mainit. Sakto lang. Tapos mahangin naman kasi madaming puno. Ayan lang. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga iba pang flowers. Guys, I'm born in 1985, so I am year of the ox. People born in the year of the ox are patient, speak little, and inspire confidence in others. They tend, however, to be eccentric and bigoted, and they anger easily. They have fierce tempers, and although they speak little, when they do, they are quite eloquent. Ox people are mentally and physically alert, generally easygoing, and they can be remarkably stubborn, hate to fail, or be obsessed. They are most compatible with snake, rooster, and rat people. Yeah. Wish some. Guys, wishing well. I wish It's there. They also have their cactus and succulents. Let's go inside. Kung may kaaway kayo for 2025, regaluhan niyo sila ng ganito. Joke. Ito tayo ngayon sa mansion. Guys, welcome to my mansion. The mansion. Ito yung bahay namin. So, ito yung kapaligiran. Nagpalagay kami ng ano dito, parang Bethlehem and then Christmas tree. Guys, ang ganda, diba? Char. Kaso, bawal lumagpas dito. So, bawal pumasok sa mansion ko mismo. Paano yan? Hindi ako makapasok sa sarili kong mansion. Pine tree ba to? Guys, these are pine trees. May unggoy po sa pine tree. In front of the mansion is this Wright Park. I honestly don't know why there is this park here. Maybe just because it's in front of the mansion. I'm not sure. But yeah. And then I think there's an overlooking there. I'm not sure. Guys, look at the pine trees. Wow! Tataas. Saka guys, hindi yun naaamoy, pero yung amoy talaga ng pine trees. Amoy na amoy siya, guys. Yung parang amoy ng car air freshener na pine tree. Guys, andito kami ngayon sa SM Baguio to have lunch. And I think i-end ko na yung vlog dito. Masyado na siguro itong mahaba. Hindi ko lang sure. If not, i-insert ko yung balak namin pumunta ng night market later. So, insert ko na lang din yun. Tapos, end ko na yung vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. I-watch na yung next vlog. I think i-add ko yung Christmas Village experience namin dito sa Baguio. Separate vlog na lang yun.